I'm so nervous. I'm about to see how to cut my hair.
Fantastic.
I'm just curious. I feel like I want to start with a bag, but I don't know. I feel like I need to put a blade on there or something. This is my first time. I don't have a voice either. I'm sick. I never did this before. So y'all bear with me. I don't even know how you put these on. Oh, there you go. Let's see. It's got me nervous. I know these ain't no real good clippers, but I ain't no real barber either. I just want to get my hair down so I can see what my real hairline is. This is kind of liberating. Might not even go back to the barber shop unless I got like a special event. I can see how some of my color ain't even get down to the bottom. This is interesting. First of all, these clippers are heavy. Like extreme. Don't mess around and let me be a barber. I went to the first school, but I will cut my own hair. Look at your girl go. I'm so shocked. So this is what we got so far, y'all. I done cut a lot off. It's a lot of hair. Let's see what we working with in the back of that hair. This is the annoying part. I hate hair. It's so prickly. Try this again. This is hard. Well, good morning. My voice is back a little. And you see, I went bald, but I wanted a little pink on there, a little hint, so I don't look completely bald. And shout out to Curology for the pimple spots. They look like this. Emergency spot patch. That's what I got on. So if y'all like me and you have occasional breakouts, here's your go-to. But yeah, I'm bald now. Excuse this do-rag line.